Deep beneath the ocean's surface, an ancient mystery lurks, captivating the minds of scientists and adventurers alike. Numerous accounts speak of eerie sounds echoing through the depths, leaving experts baffled and intrigued. Among these phenomena, the infamous bloop sound remains one of the most puzzling mysteries ever detected in the deep sea. This powerful ultra-low frequency noise was first detected in 1997 and is believed to have originated from an undiscovered creature or natural event. Despite extensive research, the true source of the bloop remains unconfirmed, feeding theories ranging from gigantic sea creatures to ice quakes. As oceanographers continue their search, the depths of the ocean hold secrets that seem to defy explanation, adding to the allure of the unknown. Beyond the bloop, countless other unexplained phenomena haunt the ocean, including mysterious lights and unidentified creatures that defy scientific classification. These enigmatic occurrences inspire countless myths and legends, weaving a tapestry of fear and fascination that entices explorers from around the world.